And there we go, guys. We got our Delta Executor for free. It works amazing. Also, we received these two scripts, Forge Hub and NICUs. And guys, now we will test it. Does it actually work? Hey your people, what is up and welcome to my new tutorial. In this tutorial I'm going to show you how I got the latest Delta Executor for my mobile absolutely free, safe and online without downloading any modded APKs or any software. Guys, you can do it with your Android or your iOS devices. It works perfectly for both devices, or even you can do it with your PC. So in this tutorial, I'm going to show you everything step by step how you can get this online, and later we will test it. Does it actually work? So guys, for start, let's go to Google or any browser you have and navigate to this website. It's called bloxforge.com. You will find it easily and click on Delta Executor tool. Click there, guys, and then we will have to enter our Roblox user ID. So if you don't know how to find your Roblox user ID, just click here how to find it, or let me quickly show you. So go to roblox.com, log in there, guys, on official Roblox, and copy your profile URL. So when you copy this, get back to the tool, and when you click this button, it will automatically scrape only your user ID of your account. So just click continue and it should start searching for our user account. So there we go, user found, guys. You should get this message and you should receive this, your name and your avatar there. So guys, that's mine. And now really important step is to import newest updated Delta Executor to our account. So just click here and then we will have to select, I mean, it's optional, it's if you want, you can select additional scripts that you want to get installed along this Delta Executor read key. So guys, I will select Forge Hub and NICUs. You have also this Reds Hub, you have really good scripts, so I will select these two because they're the best currently, and click continue. So guys, third step will load up and API will start connecting. So guys, make sure to subscribe to my channel HD Gameplay for more tutorials and more reviews. So yeah, and there we go, guys, API is connected. Nice. Our activation key is generated. There we go, guys, it's our key of Delta Executor. Nice. So we will have a few minutes to complete this bot captcha because there is a lot of malicious bot attempts. So just click I'm not a robot, guys, and it should redirect us to the last step, and it's manual verification. It's last step until we receive our newest updated Delta Executor read key. And guys, it's one-time verification, so you don't have to worry. And we will have a list of 6 free tasks, guys, and we will have to complete only 2 tasks from this list. So guys, you can complete literally whatever you like from this list. You can go with these simple app downloads, you can go with game downloads, you can do literally whatever you like from this list. So what will I do now? I will download TikTok and Playful Rewards app. So how will I do it? Just click on free, just click on go, and it will start downloading from Google Play if you're using your Android phone, and if you're using your iOS, it will start downloading from the App Store. So if you're using your Android device, it will start downloading from Google Play, and if you're using your iOS, it will start downloading from the App Store. So it's all from the official publishers, so you don't have to worry. And guys, so as I said, I will download TikTok and Playful Rewards, and one more important step is to follow their instructions, I mean, for each task you complete. So for TikTok, I will download and install this app, then run it for 30 seconds, and for Playful Rewards, I will download and install this app and play 3 games for 5 minutes each. So guys, that's pretty much it. What will I do now? See you when I complete these 2 tasks. Be right back. So let's see together what will happen and does it actually work.
1 minute later.
Okay guys, I have just completed this and this task from this list. As I said, TikTok and Playful Rewards. I have followed their instructions, installed them, and I got this message, guys. You completed 2 tasks successfully along this redirecting text. Guys, I'm so excited to see will we actually get redirected. So let's wait and let's see, is it actually legit? I'm waiting for about 1 minute, and there we go, guys. Thank you for passing the bot check. Delta Executor is imported to your account, guys. Our user ID connected and our Delta Executor key is now connected. Nice. So guys, the last step is to open our Roblox and to see does it actually work. So we can play literally whatever. We can go on to Block Streets, for example. We can click play, and let's see, guys, now we should receive our Delta Executor. So let's rotate this And let's see, I will click there something, let's go this, and there we go guys, we got our Delta Executor for free. It works amazing. Also we received these two scripts, Forge Hub and NICUs, and guys now we will test it, does it actually work. So we can click on something, so let's click on NICUs for example, and guys let's see, will this script load up. And still, there we go guys, it's actually working. This amazing Delta Executor is supported, and there we go, we have all these amazing options guys. So if you click there, click teleport, you can click on whatever place you like. So as you see, where you click you teleport there. I mean, you can use literally all these options guys for free. So yeah, that's pretty much it guys for this tutorial. I hope you enjoyed and found it helpful. If you do, make sure to like this video, to comment down below, and to subscribe to my channel. And once again guys, thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video. Bye.